How to make an elevator pitch. So how are you going to build your elevator pitch in practice? Well, the good news is you don't need to write anything down. Really, I would say, don't. The best thing is not to write anything down. What you need though is practice. You can practice in front of the mirror, you can practice in front of one or a couple of colleagues, or family members, or even you can use your cell phone and tape this and look how it went. And you will see that the first time it may be difficult and maybe a bit scary to do, but the second and third time around, you feel that you will relax doing it and that you will find the words easier. It is really about trying and to making this work. And if you can do this in 60 seconds by really choosing the key elements of your message, of what is important to convey to this particular audience or to this particular person, if you can say that in 1 minute, it is very easy for you to say it in 10 minutes or half an hour, because you can always build from that key essence.